This all began in 2024. Nabanggit ni ADG Valencia kanina about the thrust of government to the national security policy to enhance our security measures. In 2024, with the advent of the CADC, the AFP, utilizing the NSP as a start-off point, implemented the Insider Threat Program. The Insider Threat Program is a program to strengthen our security measures from all threats, foreign and domestic, from within and from without. In 2025, in conducting interagency operations, because of having some red flags of some personality Filipinos who were suspected of sending information to a foreign entity, at naging interagency ito, tumatawid hindi lamang sa AFP, DND. It resulted to 4 personalities, Lawrence, Allison, Danny, and Charles, on the right side of the screen. These are not the real names, obviously, and their cases are now considered closed. When we say considered closed, they are now under our control. They have undergone all processes, and the cases may now be open to the public to serve as a warning, as an eye-opener sa ating mga kababayan, na yung ganitong threat ay totoo. Nasabi ni ADG Valencia kanina, facts ito, may tao ito, thousands of man-hours behind bago natin makuha itong 4 na ito.